Hi first graders, this is Miss Stacey and my son Gavin joining us today for our nature hike. We miss you guys. We're going to fill in your data sheets for you. If you remember, in the fall you came out to visit us and we collected some data about what the trees look like, what the prairie looked like, how cold the water was at the pond, and we looked at what the animals were doing. So my assistant here, Gavin, is going to help us out today, okay? So when we have a data sheet, what do we always put on the top? We put our
name and date.
Name and date. So let's start there, friends. So today's day is 5 for May. The day, Gavin's looking at his watch. The day is the 12th, and we are in the year 2020. Good job. Gavin, don't forget your name on the top. Perfect. So, our first question after we do our name and date is right here. The season is called,
What could it be?
What could it be? What is the season? Are we in winter?
No.
No way. Are we in summer?
No.
No. How about fall?
No.
What is the season?
Spring.
Spring. All right, so let's write spring right here. How do we spell spring, friends?
It's literally right here.
All right, so we're right here. We're going to write spring. S-P-R-I-N-G. Fantastic. My teacher's name. What's your teacher's name, Gavin? It's Miss Stacey today. You can write whatever teacher you have in your classroom. And boys and girls, we're doing this here today at the Nature Center. C-E-Y. You can use this data sheet at home too. You can go for a hike, you can get a thermometer, or you can just look up some of the stuff on cool little apps like the Weather Channel app.
Here's our thermometer.
We have a little thermometer. I bet you might have a thermometer in your kitchen. But you can go out and go for a hike and collect some of these data too, okay? So we've got the season, teacher's name, and the next thing says, circle the symbol that describes the weather, okay? So, Gavin, is it this outside today? Let's turn around and look outside. Let's look around us.
It's pretty much sunny.
It's
hot.
Beautiful out, right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't see a whole lot of wind blowing the trees. I don't see a ton of clouds. Mm-hmm. It's not snowing and it's not raining. So let's find the symbol that matches the weather.
Sun.
All right, boys and girls. The next question we have to answer is the air temperature. Well, I know it feels pretty warm outside, but the only way to get the temperature is to use a thermometer or to look it up on an app that tells you. So we have a handy dandy thermometer right here. The left side shows us Fahrenheit, G. So look at the number on the left-hand side and match it up to where the red line stops. What do you get?
70 degrees or 71 degrees.
Just over 70 degrees, so let's call it 71. That's great. Okay, let's write it in our data sheet.
Water temperature in the pond is...
How are we going to figure that out? Water temperature in the pond?
We gotta go to the pond and put our hands in and feel how warm it is.
With our hands?
Mm-hmm.
How do we check the temperature? We use what tool?
A thermometer.
A thermometer. Let's go for it. All right, so we gotta leave that thermometer in the water for just a minute. So that little temperature, the red part goes down, down, down. And adjust to the new temperature.
Looks like in the water it is 55 degrees.
55 degrees in the water. Let's wait for just another minute. See if it goes down any farther. Is the water temperature higher than the air temperature or lower than the air temperature?
Lower, because it's more hard and it doesn't really get in here.
It's lower because what season did we just come out of, Gavin?
Winter.
Winter, and winter is what? Warm or cold?
Cold.
It's freezing, right?
Looks like in total, it is 54 degrees in here.
Nice. Okay, let's put it down on our data sheet.
We
Leave
found
it
the
down.
deer coat is.
We found the deer's coat is. What's a deer coat?
It's fur.
It's fur? It's not a coat that they wear and zip up and put on and take off when they get inside?
No.
All right. Well, how are we going to check out what the deer's coat feels like and looks like?
We gotta go look for a deer or feel a deer.
Let's
I
go
guess.
find a deer. Where are the deer at? Come with me.
I know.
Where?
We have in the front. Remember? I remember this when I came back here. There's a little deer thing.
Let's go find them, okay?
They're in the front, aren't they, Mom?
Yeah, let's go find them. Beautiful she is. What color is she?
White.
White. What is she doing?
She's just taking like a rest.
She's laying down. Looks like she was kind of stretching.
She's real warm.
She's warm. Is she soft?
Yeah. Soft.
Does she feel like our dog at home? Or does she feel different? She likes to be pet. You saw her teeth? Are they pointy or flat?
Flat.
They are flat. Herbivore animals have flat teeth. They don't need sharp teeth to poke into things.
They're not like T-Rexes.
No.
If you go way in, this is definitely a squirrel home. You know why?
Why?
There's a bunch of walnuts that have been eaten. Eaten.
Oh, there's evidence that there's squirrels here eating walnuts, right?
Mm-hmm.
Are the squirrels running around now that it's spring?
Yeah.
Yeah?
In winter, they like hibernate kind of like bears.
Yeah, they do. They kind of sleep more. They don't completely hibernate, but they do sleep a lot during the day in the wintertime.
And here's the cool features about squirrels.
What?
Sometimes squirrels have acorns. They find acorns, and some squirrels put them in their mouths and bring them home, and some other squirrels put them in their mouths, but then they find a hole and dig them. So when in winter, if they run out of food, they'll have marks, and they can run over and get food from the ground.
That's awesome, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. The ground becomes a big old refrigerator, right?
Yeah.
Where they store their acorns and walnuts and other food.
Yeah.
You're right, bud. Okay, next question. The tree leaves are... Tree leaves. Do you see tree leaves? Do you? Yeah, there's some, right?
Red tree leaves.
Some of them are different colors, green and red.
Red.
Are they big yet or are they small?
Tiny.
They're tiny. Next question. The plants in the butterfly meadow are... Where are the flowers? Did they go away?
Looks like they're gonna start sprouting in a few days. At least that's what I think.
You think they're gonna sprout? Do you think they're all dead right now?
I think the seeds have already blown away to a different place.
Oh, seeds travel, right?
Yeah, travel.
Well, you are right. They will start growing and they will start becoming flowers again really soon. They look dead, but they're not dead. They have gigantic roots that reach far under the ground, and that lets them sleep in the winter and grow back where they were in the summertime.
Gosh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wow.
Mom, there's one right there.
Don't chase. What are these crazy looking things on this tree? Look at that, boys and girls. You can see all the little leaves opening like hands. All right, right, we're seeing all sorts of fun things along that tree. It's looking for insects to eat.
I thought that was a salamander.
It's called a black and white warbler, and warblers are amazing creatures that fly far, far away. They come up and they go into Canada to have their nest and lay eggs, but they travel hundreds and hundreds of miles to get here. Some of them even go as far down as South America. We see lots of turtles over there. Okay, Gavin, so we only have 2 more questions for our data sheet. One question is, what are we wearing today? What are you wearing?
We're wearing coats. We are also, we're wearing pants. We're wearing shoes. We're wearing socks. We're wearing hats.
Okay, why are we wearing hats?
Because it's nice and sunny outside and it's warm.
Good, okay. And then last question, what were the animals doing at the nature center? So we saw turtles. What else did we see?
We saw, pretty sure we saw deer.
We saw deer, yep.
We saw blue herons.
Ooh, we saw a blue heron, which is a big, beautiful bird. So we saw lots of different things. What were those turtles doing, Gavin?
They were sitting on a log in the sunshine.
Yeah, and those geese by the pond, what were the geese doing?
They were looking for some food.
Give me a big stretch out your arms. Stretch. Oh, like you're waking up. All right, and the plants and the animals in the springtime, they're doing that too.
Good.
Yeah, they're stretching and waking up too.